Welcome. Here's a live demo trade example demonstrating my divergence pullback trend following strategy. So in this video, I'll break down the exact rules for entry, stop loss placement, and take profit target, and talk about the indicator being used here. Before getting into all the details, a quick shout out to my affiliate BingX Exchange. The reason I really like these guys is because you can trade crypto, stocks, forex, indices, and commodities all on one exchange with good competitive fees, and they have a bunch of sign up bonuses as well as deposit bonuses and trading volume bonuses, so check them out with my link in the description down below, and I'd appreciate that. Now let's talk about this trade setup on Litecoin. This is a long trade on Litecoin, and this is not the stop loss hunt divergence strategy, but just the trend following pullback strategy that utilizes a trend direction, a logical high to target, and also divergence to get the entry. So let's talk about why this one was entered. So I'm using the Fu Manchu market cipher B plus divergences indicator. I've split it up into two panes just to make it easier to see. So the settings are default, but the style is changed. I have two separate Fu Manchu cipher B plus divergence indicators. I've gotten rid of everything except for the money flow on this one, and I've gotten rid of everything except for the momentum waves on this one. Okay, so I'll show you that indicator. It's the same as the market cipher B, but anyone can get this one for free on TradingView. It's called Fu Manchu cipher B plus divergences. Okay, and I've put it in two separate panes just to repeat. Now this is the 30-minute time frame. What I saw was we are in an uptrend according to these exponential moving averages. So we have a 200 period exponential moving average of the hourly time frame, and then we have a 50 period exponential moving average of the hourly time frame here. 50 is over the 200. This is a pullback in an uptrend, and that's how I determine the trend direction for this strategy. Okay. Now, for the divergence, what we need to see is divergence on both the money flow and our momentum. Now, let's draw that in. So our lowest point right here on our money flow, we see it coming to the upside, and at the same time, we have price coming down and making a lower low here as we get a higher low on our money flow. So very clear bullish divergence on our money flow. Now, for our momentum, we have this as our lowest point on the momentum, and this is coming to the upside, but at the same time, price made a lower low once again there. So both momentum and money flow divergence, and that is a bullish divergence because this is in an uptrend we're looking to buy. So you can see my entry here. It's okay that it wasn't exactly when the divergence happened, but that is the setup. Now for the target, I'm looking at just the next high, and this is possible that we target this one, but the next nearest high is this one right here. It's not very significant, but I figured the stop loss is already plenty far away, targeting this high right here, and this is just a logical level for price to gravitate towards to sweep on the next move up, although you could also target this one here or this one way up here. So this would be the main level, but I figured we have this closest one already giving me a good risk to reward ratio and already giving me a lot of wiggle room for the stop loss, where if price did come all the way down here, it's probably going to signal that we're not going to be correct about the trend direction, and it's going to be reversing the trend. So this nearest high to be targeting is plenty, and that's why I'm targeting that one. Now that being said, the stop loss placement is just based on the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, and that's it. So profit target has a logical reason, but the stop loss is just based on the risk to reward ratio, so 1 to 2 here. And as far as moving the stop loss to break even for the trade management portion of this, I'll be moving the stop loss to break even once we clear this right here. So let me just put it in. Once we get up to here, the reason I'm not using this level is because it's too close. So even if we break bullish structure here, I do want to see it come up a bit higher. Once we get up to here, I'll go stop loss to break even. Okay. And that's going to wrap it up for now. I'll update it as needed.
All right, here's an update on the Litecoin long trade. It is time to get this stop loss to break even, but I'm actually going to be closing the entire position early because we have bearish divergence on both the money flow and the momentum. It's not confirmed on the momentum yet, but it is looking like it's going to be crossing down here with a lower high. So let's draw it in. Higher high here on price, momentum, very clearly lower high. And then we have 3 peaks here on the money flow forming lower highs as price comes up with higher highs. So time to close this one out early. This one took a really long time. It's been about 10 days. So let's see exactly how long it's been. Yeah, about 10 days, almost 11 days now. So I'm just going to close it out. It's almost at the profit target anyway. So that will conclude this one. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.